Where stock-specific trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Axis Bank in the cash segment at 1,890 levels. Holding these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 1,906, expecting to book profits at 1,866 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short in Bharti Infratel in the cash segment at 254, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 257, expecting to book profits at 248 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the futures space, I would want to short July futures of Kane India at 351, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 355, expecting to book profits at 345 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
For today, I think I'd like to go for short only. Stick with the shorts. Bank of Baroda has broken a very important support of 845. Bank of Baroda can actually slide down to levels closer to 750. 840 would be the stop. Second stock that looks weak to me is Narendra. Wow, the way it's cracked. Tired structure in the upper regions. Couldn't sustain it. Broke an important support 32. Broke the next important support at 31. The way it's heading, I would not be surprised if it comes down to levels closer to 25. So GMR Infra is weak. Strong resistance at 30, that's the place I would have a stop. So for today, two stocks, both short. Bank of Baroda and GMR Infra. On the futures front, I had a choice between Bank Nifty futures and Nifty futures. I think I'll stick with Nifty futures. It can slide down to levels closer to 7,500, stop about 7,700.
Two of the recommendations which I'm bringing forward today, both of them are on the sell side, going with the momentum with the markets, faced yesterday. The first one is a sell on Tata Steel. The stock managed to break a fresh swing low over the last 3 to 4 weeks. In fact, most of the stocks yesterday managed to do that. I believe, the lower end of the Bollinger Band in Tata Steel, which is close to 510, where it tested yesterday. I think that could be a critical sign, and if the stock trades below that, I see a level of 497 to 495. That could be the target for the day. Stop loss for Tata Steel is around 518. The second is a sell on Indiabulls Real Estate. I think forming an inverse head and shoulder on the daily chart, it managed to break 90-92, which was a good support zone for IB Real Estate, and it's also broken the shorter term moving averages as well. So I believe more correction could be due for Indiabulls Real Estate. My target on this is 78, stop loss of 88. In the F&O space, I think selling Nifty futures could be an ideal trade over here. Yesterday we believe that 7,700 was a good support for Nifty. It broke that, and below that we anticipated a lot of shorts to start building up in the system, or at least profits being taken off. I think for the next couple of days, at least for today and for the next couple of days, we believe that there could be more shorts developing into the system, and I think 76.80 could be a good stop loss for the shorts in terms of Nifty futures. Have a target of close to 75.40, 75.50 in the next 2 to 3 days. Stop loss 76.80, target 75.40.
I would go with a sell in a IDBI, stop loss of 103, target of 91. The second call is a sell in a JP Associates, stop loss of 68.50, target of 60.50. And in F&O space, I would go with a sell in a Reliance Capital July future, stop loss of 615, target of 598.
See, first of all, the broad guideline is that the correction will survive only till the Nifty stays below 7680 to 7700. If that level gets violated on the upside again, then the uptrend continues. And that can happen sometimes, but that should be the stop for anybody who's short or anybody who wants to go long. On the Bank Nifty, 15,400 should not get violated on the upside. Till that time, Bank Nifty will remain in some sort of a corrective mode. CNXIT remains in an uptrend, so out there, as long as 98.50 holds on, it remains in some sort of a mild uptrend. Nifty support band is 7506 to about 7564. Resistance band 768 to about 7740. Bank Nifty support band is 14,696 to about 14,846. Resistance band is 15,148 to about 15,298. CNXIT support band 9924 to about 9971. Resistance band 10,067 to about 10,114. BTST from yesterday, Adani Power was a sell with a stop of 64, target of 55. ITC was a buy with a stop of 330, target of 348. HDFC was a buy with a stop of 1020, target of 1065. Fresh calls, Adani Enterprises a sell with a stop of 457, target of 435. Arvind is a sell with a stop of 235, target of 219. BHEL is a sell with a stop of 247, target of 232. DLF is a sell with a stop of 211, target of 194. Hindustan Unilever is a buy with a stop of 620, target of 652. And Infosys a buy with a stop of 3300, target of 3420.
Today I've got a mix of buy and sell calls. I think there's some problem loading the mail. Just give me. Yeah. Axis Bank is a sell with a stop at 1908. Look for targets of around 1850. I've got IDFC as a buy list. It had a very strong session on Monday and then some kind of pullback on Tuesday, which is yesterday. I think around 135 it can be bought with a stop below 131.75. Look for targets of around 145. L&T Finance, which has been kind of underperforming, gave a sell signal, so sell that with a stop above 74.2. Look for targets of 66.5. DVs is a buy if it trades around 1490 or around the 10-day average. So buy then with a stop below 1469. Look for targets of around 1550. And a sell on Idea with a stop above 136.5 for targets of 126.